Welcome to the Compressor Guru. On this channel, the Guru will explain and demonstrate many aspects of air compressors, air systems, accessories, air tools, and many other things having to do with compressed air and its use in your shop. The Guru will even show you how to do many things yourself, like service and maintenance, valve jobs, and even air compressor rebuilds, if you are up to it. The Guru has been in the air industry for over 40 years. Bud holds no advanced degrees, but the Guru has a doctorate and a lifetime of experience. You can contact the Guru by either leaving a comment on any video we put on YouTube or through our thecompressorguru.com website, which is always under construction. Thecompressorguru.com may have current specials listed, so be sure to check us out. Bud is coasting towards retirement, but the Guru is planning on doing videos as long as there is interest. He has seen many things over the years that would have been a simple fix if only things had been done right the first time. Benefit from his experience. We invite you to save yourself time and aggravation by watching the Guru show the common mistakes and proper ways to handle air in your shop. The do-it-yourselfer should know that the Compressor Guru is here for you. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the follow bell so you will know when new episodes of the Compressor Guru are released. Thank you for checking out the Compressor Guru. God bless you and have a wonderful day.